Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nikkei is going to be opening up here in about less than a minute, about 30 seconds. Got some negative reactions at earnings. I've already started my overnight trades. Keep on going, they'll be all right, but we'll see. We shall see. Okay, decent setup and on the Lucid funded. Let's go. We're trying to do a Lucid giveaway tonight as well, so don't forget this. Ooh, telling you guys, don't forget to smash it. Let me go sign up real quick. Let me go get in there. All right, looks like I'm going to be lucky number 12. All right, so 12 of you has beat me. Beat me to that button push. Let's get the wrong view here. There we go. There's we go. Nikkei is up about 292 points. Cosby's still not open yet. It'll be open here in a few. Looks like Cosby's going to gap up. Looks like about 165 points. Cosby's going to gap up. Yeah, at White Boy, I always say I have it set at 8:30. I don't know how long it's going to take to put my daughter down. So, as soon as I get that done, then I jump on. So I have it set at 8:30 just to buy me some leeway. But nice gap up there. Now, in terms of my trades, I am in the MNQ. I got one contract on MNQ, which is up almost 100 points right now. And then I have two contracts over here on the MES. Both of these are, I consider them kind of my overnight trades. If they hit target while we're on stream, that's fine. If not, I plan to hold them as long as need be. Well, at least till tomorrow. Not forever. Now, one of the targets I'm watching was, do I want to get out of the NASDAQ right here at the gap fill at 165 or push it to 234? I'm kind of favoring to push to 234 personally. So, hey, Christian, what's up? So let's go. Let's go. Hey, Raj. So I'm kind of thinking the micro MNQ. I'm going to push up towards the point of control is what I'm favoring. I'm going to hold off on putting a target there just in case we get some type of craziness on the move. Look at the ES. ES, we have the point of control at 41. But I may try to push the ES a little bit higher. We also have that gap right there. Gap is also right there, right around that point of control. We'll have to see once we get up there. All right, nice little push up there. Yeah, I saw that, Raj. NQ testing that. I'm not a fan of that with me being in the trade I'm in now. You know, NASDAQ up there by the third band makes me a little bit nervous while I'm in the MNQ trade. But I am in it, and it, you know, I got a lot of wiggle room before it comes back on me. So we'll see if, you know, we got to be careful because right here, right around 8 o'clock or so, we've been getting the reversals in the market. It's been, you know, taking its direction from that point. So did we just run into that band and now we're going to come back down and that's it? That is on my mind. That's what happened last night. Cosby's up 187. And look after hours. Look at Google after hours. Got smoked. Down 2.58%. Well, Google comes out, good earnings. Whoop. All the way back down. If we look at high to low on the move. High to low, Google moved 7.63% from high to low. Let's see Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's down here a little ways too. Tesla from the close down to the low, about 5%. Let's see IBM. Yeah, IBM wicked up, right back down. Basically, very close to where it closed at. And what about Texas? Texas Instrument. Wicked up, wicked down. And it's down a little bit, down about 2.68%. I'm curious from high to low. 10.45% from high to low. So We gotta be on the lookout for any news in the Middle East. So that means crude oil needs to be on my radar. CL. Raj looking for a reversal. Hey, looking for a reversal to come back down, Raj? It may. Crude oil gapped up, trying to push up here. I think that's a rollover contract gap. Hey, Rapid, good evening. Don't forget to say hi to Nightbot. Smash that like button. Do you plan to do a Lucid account giveaway? See if we can run the like counter up. 200 likes, we do a Lucid account giveaway. We smashed that goal last night with plenty of extra room. Almost went 100 over it. Actually, it might have went 100 over it. Can't remember now. Can't remember. Did we get 300 likes in yesterday's stream? Huh. NASDAQ's trying to push up. I'm up 100 points on this NASDAQ, on this one MNQ. So I'm liking that right now. MES still trying to push up here a bit. So 29,182. Hey, Jesse, what's up? How about that reaction to those earnings? And now we're coming all the way back up, climbing the wall of worry. Hey, Bob, what's up? Coming back, climbing that wall of worry. Hey, Bob, how'd you finish out today? How'd your trades finish? We do have the Russell in the green now. Russell's up 1 tick. 2 ticks. Great. Looking around real quick. Raj already brought up we're near the 3rd deviation band. Now the bands are widening here at the moment. So we came up, hit the 3rd band, barely came back down to the 2nd. You see the bands really got that alligator mouth opened up wide. So the bands are still expanding here at the moment. Hopefully they keep on expanding. I'm trying to rip this bad boy up. Initially, when I put this trade on, I was thinking trying to just to target the gap being filled, but I was like, see if we can go ahead and hold for this point of control up here. 234 for the point of control. I think that'll be fun. That'd be a decent little trade. Actually, that'd be almost 170 points. If it gets up there. On the S&P, minimum target is going to be 75.41, but I might push that a little bit further. I think I may push that. Maybe towards 75.50 is what I'm thinking. So, and here's what I'm kind of looking for the 75.50. We look right here. We see we have a lot of gamma being built out. So maybe front run that just a little bit. Maybe 48, 49. That'd be a few more points than the point of control. Hey, Leo, what's up? Good evening. So I like that for my target on my MES. Doesn't mean we'll get there. And we'll see if we have another night like we've been getting. Night before, we just ran up all Asia. Last night, we just went down all of Asia. So tonight, do we get a little two-sided trade, or is it we get the dip down already and now we put the low in? Jesse's in the chat. Jesse's in the chat. So I'm holding out on this MQ trade, playing this for my overnight trade, but if it wants to go up there and hit my target, that's fine. Go up there and hit me's target. Probably gonna look to get out around that point of control. That'll be good. Yeah, we closed the gap on the NQ. Yeah, that's where I was looking to initially get out of that trade, but the way we've already come up pretty easily, I think we have more juice in the tank. I don't think we are done. I think it wants to move it, move it, move it. Burp, burp, burp. It could drop. I hope not. The market let out a lot of energy at the open. So can't really see it there. If you go over here and look on a 5-minute chart, that's a lot of energy that was released on that drop down. A lot of energy. We have an FVG. Oh, that'd be nice too. FVG way up here around 270. Maybe I'll hold it past that point of control. I don't know. We'll see. We have a 9 count here in the 5-minute. So we are very susceptible to getting a pullback. And we're up here near the upper band. So we gotta be careful there. Hopefully I'm not being too greedy in these micros. Trying to drive home to join. Oh, you're already off work, Jesse? Man. That'd be nice. Hey, Alley Cat, what's up? What's up? Good evening. Don't forget to smash that like button. We're trying to get 200 likes tonight. Last night, I don't know. I can't remember if we got 300 likes last night or not, but trying for a minimum 200 likes. I'll go see if I can find the actual stat. How much did we do? $285. I know it was close. I know it was close. I just couldn't remember if we ended up. I'm trying to find it. I don't know where to find it at. Yeah, I don't know where to find it at. But anyways. Hey, Leo, I think it was over 245. Pretty confident it was over 245. Hey, what happens if I do this? Let's see. Hey, so actually the replay shows 300 on the dot. So it shows 300 on the dot. Actually, 301. Shows 301 last night. So 200. I think it's a reasonable goal. See if you guys get us there. Hi, Nightbot. I get a little bit of pullback here, which we're at the bands on the View app, and we have that 9 count right there. So not really surprised with the pullback. Crude oil is on the move back up, it looks like. Let's see, crude oil is trying to move up. Yeah, crude oil is right here, back at session highs. We got to worry about more escalations over in the Middle East, too. U.S. missile strike near border crossing passage terminal, no injuries. U.S. forces launch fresh strikes against Iran on Wednesday. Interesting. Hey, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I can't remember if it was a 150K account I gave away or not. I don't remember. We've been giving away too many giveaways. Did one from the video, did one from the email list. Did them on both streams. I can't remember what's what. I know I gave away one of the winners. I meant to give away a 50K and I gave a 150K account. I made a boo-boo. Let me go see if I can find that. Hey, Roach, what's up? Let's see. Let's see. No, hey, we gave away 50K last night. We gave away 50K last night. So, weed's good. Hey, Lobster Dad, what's up? Hey, we're trying to push back up again, but this could be a little hanging man type of candle. I'm hoping we keep on running. Right now, my micro trade's up over 100 points. 100 points on that one. I wish I would have put 2 on it now. And my MES is up, what about 10 points? Almost 10 points on the 2 micros on the S&P. Yeah, legacy accounts are back. Yeah, I did a video about it. I put that video out. So now, if you want to not be worried about the 6 payout cap, you can get the legacy accounts and they're on a massive, massive sale. You get a 50K account for $19. And you get an additional $500 drawdown in those accounts, or at least in the 50K account. So the new accounts, you only get $2,000 drawdown. In the legacy, you get $2,500. So I think that's a benefit, especially if you're already trading the intraday trailing drawdown. And the eval is cheaper, but it's not cheaper than the current intraday when you figure into activation fee, which I went over in the video. I put those on before the stream. It was bought yesterday intraday. The intraday, $49 all in though. You can't beat that. I mean, that's a good deal. You can't be upset with that. Hey, Raj, you think Apex will reduce what? The activation fee? Yeah. Yeah, they're ripping it right now. Let's go. Hey, so on the NASDAQ, I got 2 targets in mind. One of them being right here, 29.34. I don't think I'm going to get crazy with it. I don't think I'm going to go for the 486 target we had mapped out. We're trying to target last night. I don't think I'm going to go for that target with this trade. I'm not trying to get too crazy with it. And that target was something like this, I think. There it is, right there around 488, 486. Yeah, they're ripping this bad boy. These are getting it. Look at it. Look at it. Woo, 1 micro, almost $300. 150 points. Let's go. That's how you do overnight trades, baby. The MES trade, I think I'm bumping that to 40. I was thinking about getting out initially when I put that trade on. My target was going to be the gap fill right here. But then how fast we came up so early on in the night. I like the point of control at 41, but then I looked over here at the GEX. See, where's the options, lined up? You see, we have a lot of gamma exposure at 75.50. So trying to front run that 75.50, maybe around 48 ish. Hopefully I'm not being greedy with it. Hey, Mechanoble, good evening. Yeah, one MQ at 29,030. Oh man, you're a better price than I am. Hey, Mechanoble, what's your target on that? Still getting a trade copy or setup? No, hey, Bob, the $49 all in. So the $49 all in, that was the intraday trailing drawdown. No activation fee. That sale is no longer. But the EOD accounts probably are $49, but plus activation fee. So if you pass, be a little bit more you have to pay. So hey, we got the NASDAQ in the green and the Russell in the green. Dow's down 14. S&P is down 4. S&P is the weakest right now. Got 5 last night. Yeah, but hey, Bob, the EOD accounts have intraday trailing drawdown. I mean, they have activation fee. It was the intraday drawdown accounts that had no activation fee for $49. So if we look, let's see what Apex changed it to today. Let's see what Apex changed it to. Because look, if you go EOD, 50K, you're right, it's $49, but once you pass, you have to pay $129. Yeah. So yesterday on the intraday, if you picked no activation fee, that account was $49 for the last couple days. Now Apex's big sale. They still have a sale on all of these accounts too, but they brought back the legacy accounts. So 50K legacy account is $19, but there is an activation fee if you pass. But if you fail a lot of accounts, this is a cheap option to get involved in, get more times at bat to try to pass. I did a video on that this evening. So I was literally at lunch when that sale came out. Yeah, hey, let's go. We're gonna see who's got the fastest duck tonight. Quack, 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 quack. Who's gonna win that Lucid account? Who wants it the most? We'll know by who trained their duck the best. Today in the morning race, we had the like 25 people in there, I think. Yeah, the legacy accounts are intraday. Yeah, because $49. Yeah, it's not all in, Bob. It's $49 plus activation fee. So, and I did a video on it. Check out the video. Actually, I'll give you guys. Let me go. I'll find the video for you. I'll drop it. You guys know I got a video for everything. Or at least I tried to. If not, I got some other videos I'm pretty excited about making, actually. I'll pin that video. It talks about Apex's I just pinned that video. Yeah, that stinks, Mecha Noble. I didn't know. I'll get you in it tonight. If you're on here and do duck race tonight, Mecha Noble, I'll get you in it. Remember, Nightbot's going to pick about 10 people, maybe a little bit more. Then I'll pick a handful of people and we'll see who's got the fastest duck out there. Win that Lucid account. So, I was actually pretty pumped about that. I look, still trying to go higher. Look at that micro go. Woo-wee. Let's get it. Hey, my MES is still printing too. MES is up almost 20 points. Almost. I'll call it 18. Hey, so we're almost at that point of control. Point of control and the gap fill on the ES. Right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Everybody thought, we're going down. Yeah, don't forget night bottom here. So we've almost got that point of control, but I'm trying to push this up to about 48. Hey, somebody asked a question. I got squirreled. Where did it go? Hey, somebody asked a question about the GEX. I can't find your comment now. I went to go answer it. If you can ask it again, I'll reply back to it. I just can't find your question. 49 plus. Yeah, I guess, Bob. Yep. No, probably 169, Bob. 170-ish. Hey, in the legacy accounts, you don't have to pass in 30 days. So Oh, what is GEX? So GEX is the it's in the options markets where the dealers will have to hedge. Oh, what happened to my chart? So I'll pull this back up. I think it reset for the night. Oh, hey, thanks for welcome to the channel. Welcome to the crew. All right, let's go. So look right here, wherever you have high gamma, that's where the dealers have to hedge. So we come up there, one, they can act it to repel price back down. But if we start accepting above it, guess what? All those dealers will have to then start going along, and you can get a big push up from that level or down. Like this gamma down here where it says put support. We come down there and we start coming back up. That's what would be expected. We get below it, all these dealers are going to have to start hedging. So then they're going to have to start selling the market to make sure their position stays delta neutral. So then more selling begets more selling. And I use, let me see, I think it's, let me see if I have it here. Yeah, I do. Here's the provider that I use for that. For those levels, if you use that code, you can save a little bit of money on it. I've been using them for a while. Yeah. Somebody said earlier too about GEXBot. I've never used them. Never used GEXBot. Something else I like, which let's go look at it real quick. Inside of Mentor Q, I can also look at how the CTAs are positioning. Let me see if I can zoom that up. I can't see on this screen. CTA models. Let's see if they've been buying or selling on these moves. Let's see. Oh, it's on the wrong date. Let me change the date. So look at the SPX. SPX been kind of climbed, not so much extreme there, but look right here. Before we had that turn, that drop right there, CTAs were already starting to sell, and then you get the drop. So I was kind of curious if that was going on again or not. Yeah, look at the NASDAQ. CTAs are still selling, even though the NASDAQ's trying to push up. So, yeah, so they have a indicator that plugs into Ninja, so it can plot the levels here as well. We can see the levels on this chart, but I really like using this chart a little bit better because on this chart, I can actually see how much is at each level. So I'm actually using both the Ninja Trader indicator, but also the levels on that chart. So I can see how much gamma is at that level. So how much gamma exposure. I need this ES to keep on climbing up here a bit. Can we keep on go win? Woo! Hey, look at the NASDAQ. Nasty NASDAQ already hit 234. I said this is where I was probably going to get out of that micro. Did not take it yet. So hopefully I don't regret it. Greedy becomes a needy. Hopefully not. Yeah, get that like counter up. Trying to give away a Lucid account tonight. If I see 400 on the P&L, which rule number 1, don't trade the P&L. And what do I say? If I see 400, let's get it. I just want to make sure my hotkey was going to work. So we'll see. If I see 400 print, I'm going to take it. The MES is getting very close to my target. So we have that gamma exposure at 50. So probably around 48. I'm going to front run it. But you know what? I'm probably just going to get out. I'm going to close out of that. Close out of the MES. That was a banger of a trade too. If we, that was a banger of a trade. Look, I don't like this. Got some trade detector bubbles showing up over here on the NASDAQ, but I still think we push higher. So if you're wondering where I got in, I did not get the best fill. Let me put this on a 5-minute chart and I'll show you. So here's my entry on the 5-minute right there. Exited right there. So got in at 22, got out at 43. So 21 points. And that's not bad. Not too shabby. I may regret not exiting that NASDAQ. That trade detector bubble up there kind of making me scared. And you look at these bands, we're kind of running away. Running away from the bands up there. Makes me a little bit nervous. But I'd really like to get 200 points on this NASDAQ, even though it's already went up there and crushed the targets I was looking for. So we shall see. Yeah, I probably should have closed the NASDAQ, but coulda, woulda, shoulda. Ultimately, I think we still want to go higher because on the 4-hour chart, we still have the target at 488, 486. And then look, we have another target, this little ABC pattern right here. That one completes at 624-ish. We have the point of control at 677. If we get above that, 932 for value area high. So I like those targets. They give us a nice little pullback this evening session. Yeah, I have the MAE rule in the legacy accounts. That is true. But hey, you don't have to choose those accounts. You can do the newer accounts where your cap payouts are 6 payouts. So right hand side chart, is it? No, this is a Ninja Renko chart. So it's a modified Renko chart. There's an indicator you can download for Ninja for free. I have no affiliations with this company. Nightbot will put a link. Let's see. Nightbot just posted that link. If you click that link and you're using Ninja Trader, it'll bring you to a page just like this. And here's the one that I'm using right here. Right there. The free one. Absolutely free. Now, I have no affiliations with them. I just use their product. So. Tomorrow's range, 29,755 to 28,584. Very, very tight. Hey, Raj, why do you think it'll be a tight range tomorrow? What makes you think that? I'm not saying I disagree. I'm just kind of curious. Yeah, you have to give me your email to get it for free, Leo. You will. But you don't have to buy anything. You get it you download it for free. Then you just opt out of the email list if you wanted to. So. All right, let's get back up there. I told you I see 400 print on the P&L. I'm going to take it. Can we get it? Can we get it? We need to push on up just a little bit more. Please, Mr. Market, please. Just be nice to me. Push on up. Let's get this night started off on the right foot. I already made 200 and something on the MES. Let's make a little bit more on this. And we got to be mindful because we do not have any economic news really to contend with. So we got to worry about headline news risks. So if we look, Wednesday night, Aussie has a little bit of news here at 9:30, but in terms of U.S. news, nothing. Euro has their interest rate tomorrow. We have the weekly unemployment claims, and that's it. That is it. So, crude oil is just kind of hanging out up here. Get a ton of downside. Hit all 5. On your maiden voyage? Oh boy. Come on, let's bump it up. Again, I want to see at least a 400. I want to see a 4 in front of this when I close it out. I'll be 200 points on the NASDAQ. What's the range on the NASDAQ tonight? Oh, let's see. What is the range? 233 point range already. That's not too bad. Hey, Animal, what's up? Good evening. Be a really good evening if this NASDAQ will just cooperate and go up just a little bit more. Everybody think we're going to crash down, gap down, then whoop, right back up. I like that. I like it a lot. Now let's go double check something real quick. Nikkei's up 533. Kosbi's up 212. HSI will open up here in about 55 minutes. Come on, push it. We have the high of the day right here at 255. Come on. Come on. I actually think that would give me I think that high of the day had me at 400. I was up 400 at that point on that trade, up 200 points. Oh, no, it wasn't. Nope. I was just shy of it. Just shy. That's a pretty big move off the low, though. And they did it in a straight line. They didn't back and forth, just whoop. Look at that 5-minute chart. We hit that FPG up there we were talking about earlier. Oh, no, we did not. We didn't hit that FPG. I thought we did. So we have an FPG right up here as well. We did not hit that yet. Hey, Frank, what's up? I do want to go see something, though. NQ. Yeah, that's pretty scary. Well, I look at the GEX levels on the nasty NASDAQ. But I can press the chart down here a little bit. Look, 30,000, we have a decent amount. Look down below us. 28,800, 28,500, and 28,000. That's a little scary. Hey, Mike, what's up? Thoughts on boat buying? Plan on spending a lot of money. Not just for the boat, but afterwards. Boat stands for break out another 1,000. I love boats, though. Don't get it wrong. I love boats. Just, they're not going to be cheap. Used to be a bartender. Now I got a boat. Think about that movie in the Big Short. Oh, man. Yeah, break out another 10,000. Yeah. What happened there? Hey, Raj, what happened? Hey, Raj, you still in here? It's like message reacted. What? Oh, hold on. Why did it get rid of that? Hold on. I don't know what happened. It was like great in my area. It kept saying Raj. It still shows it. Raj retracted message. I don't understand it. Yeah, I'm going to refresh. Yeah, that's weird. It's done now. I refreshed my window, hit reload, and it's all good. Oh, that was weird. YouTube's playing games. You're always stuck in an overnight trade? I'm not really stuck. I usually put on trades to be in so I can make money while I sleep. Like the trade I put on the MES, I planned to be in that while I slept. It just happened to hit my target before that. My other trade on the MNQ, I planned to hold this while I was sleeping tonight. It just happens to already be on the move. Up almost 200 points on it. I'm going to close it. We break the high. I'd like to see if I can get at least 400 out of it. Which is kind of funny because when I first put the trade on, I was looking just for the gap to be filled. And I was like, maybe the point of control. Now I moved it up a little bit. Hopefully I don't regret that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll sleep with a trade on. I'm pretty comfortable. Now I can't sleep with the MNQ or with the NQ on. I cannot sleep with the NASDAQ on. With the NQ, my mind just races. It's like, how much money are you losing? Wake up. Let me check it. Check my watch. It still looks good. Check my watch. Because I can see the market on my watch. So if you guys don't think you guys don't think I'm really into the market. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it went away. Well, there's one chart. Dang it. You guys can't see it. I don't know. I'm trying to show you, but I can see the market on my watch. So if I wake up middle of the night and just look at it, it doesn't look like I need attention right now. And we got a little bit of liquidity on the ES. Someone's trying to spook an order. 75.40. What about NASDAQ? Same order did not show up on the NASDAQ. Yeah, I have the phone too right next to the bed. But the first thing I check is the watch. Oh, crap. Let me get the phone. Oh, man. All right, we're trying to push. Push. Yeah, I just need a little break of this high. Just break the high a little bit. And I'll get out of this. I'll call it a fantastic trade. So. Always sleep with the phone on the screen. Here we go. Let's go double check the Nikkei and Kospi. Last night they started off doing good and they gave it up. They gave up the ghost. Nikkei last night was up 1,200 points ish. Rolled back over and closed down for the night. Yeah, NQ trying to reverse down here a bit. A small MacBook right next to the bed. Nice. What sucks is when I wake up on, early in the morning, Saturday, like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. And I look at my watch. I'm like, what the heck? It's flat. Grab the phone. Like, it's Saturday. Son of a gun. Market's not moving. Trying to figure out what position I'm in. Oh, man. That's when it's really bad. I wake up Saturday. I'm like, hey, what am I in? Am I long? Am I short? So Australia does have a little bit of news coming out. 9:30, I think it was. Now, I doubt that's going to move our markets in a big way, but unemployment rate, 9:30, right when the HSI opens up. Yeah, wake up when you don't have to. Yeah, that stinks. Hey, Eric, most of the time I go to bed with a trade on. Majority of nights I go to bed with a trade on. And I can look to see as my watch notify me that the order's been filled. Because it'll ding me on my watch. Oh no, I put the trade on intentionally. Yeah, Apple. Yeah, String B, it's an Apple Watch. Hey Eric, I won't be able to sleep if I can do an ES contract, but NQ I can't sleep. My mind races. I'm just thinking about, you know, how bad is this going to be when I wake up? And when I get in, I don't just get in. I also, a lot of times when I go to bed, I'll layer in other orders. So if it dips down, they'll get filled. If I do that with the NQ, I mean, I could wake up. I could wake up with tears in my eyes. Not just, you know, wiping the sleepies out. You can make a lot, but I don't want the loss. Like the trades I put on tonight that I consider my overnight trades on the micros, MES I'm already out of. That was 200 and something bucks. If the NASDAQ hits, that's going to be about $400. That'd be $600 with 2 trades. My overnight trades. If you just do that every single night, that's, you know, $150 a year. Yeah, wake up down 20 grand. Yeah, I don't want to do that. That would be a bad start to the day. Wake up down 20K. Big. Well, folks, we're getting the shovels out. We's a digging. We digging some holes today. We gotta try to dig ourselves out of this big nasty. That'd be a very rough start, John. Be like, yikes. So, hey, John, 3-day streak. What is that? Intraday, Eric, the most I've been down was like 50 grand. It was horrible. I was still at work. I was gunslinging contracts around and I didn't get out because I did anything good. I shut my computer off. My friend's like, hey, you need to turn your stuff back on. I think it's going up. And I think I made a couple $100 or broke even or lost a couple $100, but yeah, that was pretty bad. That was on when I had the big run. It was like a 3-week period where I was gunslinging stuff. I mean, I was just slinging contracts, not caring, just DCing the crap out of it. And I had some big days, but then when it went south pretty good. I actually don't mind it. So even back in 08, when I got annihilated on that one trade, I over leveraged on, I didn't get out when I should. I broke the rules. Out of the 14 to 16 months, I did everything right. One trade, I broke multiple rules, lost everything I made all that time. That was depressing. That was the only time I thought about quitting. It wasn't right then. I got it all back within a couple weeks, and then I lost it again. And then I don't remember if it was then I was thinking about I'm going to just give up, or if I got it back again and then lost it again. That's where the memory gets a little bit fuzzy. Yeah. Hey, John, here's the funny part. That was a 1 month too, where normally I got out for a nickel in the trade. I was like, I don't want to pay commissions. I don't want to pay $1 per contract in commissions. So instead I had to pay the exercise fees on those options contracts of $15 per contract. So instead of taking my profit and paying $1 per commission or per contract in commissions, I decided to take a massive loss of everything I made, plus an additional $15 for the exercise fees. Oh yeah, that was great. I wanted to cry. And the funny part was the emotional roller coaster. So I know how to learn the strategy. I'm like, all right, this should be the most I can lose. But I'm watching my P&L swing. And at some points, I'm down a couple $100, a couple 100,000 on the trade. I'm like, I don't have a couple 100,000 in this account. I was like, this is getting a little sketchy here. I only had like 36 to 40,000 in the account. And I'm seeing it up or down a couple $100,000. I'm like, oh boy, I really hope this works the way I learned it. And it did. But then the funny part was Friday, I'm like, oh, maybe they'll forget about poor little me with all the financial crisis stuff going on. Maybe I'll just slip through the cracks. They won't exercise my contracts. Friday night, markets closed. I look, all my money. No, the position's gone. All the money's in my account. I'm like, they didn't exercise my contracts. They forgot about poor little old me. Oh man, thank you. Thank you. I'll never do that again. Saturday morning rolls around. I look, all the money's in my account. Trades are gone. I'm like, oh, this is great. Sunday morning, same thing. Go to lunch, come back. And when I come back, a little bit different. I no longer have the trades either. All the money's gone. Plus an additional $900 and something in exercise fees. Then I was about to cry. I probably had a tear coming down my eye. I've never traded with Buellnox. I've not. So that was a good time. It was horrible then because everywhere you turned on the radio or I was working on cars. So I get in a car, you hear financial crisis, this bank, and I'm just getting smoked in this trade. Not getting out, getting smoked. I can't get away from it. The news, the radio, everybody's talking about it. Everybody's freaking out. All right, let's see. Are we going to get the 400 on here so I can close it? All right, we'll go ahead and close that. Thank you very much. Over 200 points on that NASDAQ trade. Thank you, Mr. Market. I think that one's worthy of a little post. I like that one quite a bit. Oh, yeah. Let's just snip that one for a little screenshot. All right. All right, let's get it. I don't see any news. I'm looking. But apologies, but I can't provide a revised headline based on the input you've given. Could you please provide a clearer headline to edit? What is that? Is that just on my financial juice or do you guys have that too? Oh, look at financial juice. They're apologizing. They can't provide a revised headline. What input did I give it? You see it too? I wonder what's going on there. Sold a micro. Hey, Raj, I like where we're at. I just don't know that I want to take that trade yet. I still have the upside targets in my head. I think I'd rather two more soldiers taken out. Oh, that stinks. That sucks. And yeah, killed 2, yes. What's oil? Oil's not really moving with that headline. So if we look at crude oil real quick. Yeah, crude oil is just kind of going sideways up here. Yeah, I was trying to develop. Your financial juice doesn't say it? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Did the ES hit that? Did the ES make it to the gamma levels up there? All right. We talked about where I was taking the ES to, why I moved my target up. But we're coming close to it. Here's the GEX levels right up here. 75.50. You can see all that gamma right there. If we get above it and we hold, they could juice it up a little bit more. So let's be careful. Let's see what happens if and when we get there. Your financial juice says it. Huh. So why are we getting conflicting financial juices? All the indices now in the green after being pretty negative at the open. So I'm pretty happy with the way tonight's going so far. Hopefully I don't ruin it. Hopefully I don't go green to red. It was down a bit, but there. And NASDAQ trying to rip. I still think we want those upward targets. So hey, did they just flush out all the weaker hands on that gap down to today, and now they're just gonna rip it on up? Maybe. Let's see. So, yeah, we had some pretty nasty reactions to earnings. Yeah, NQ going up, and NQ keeps going up. I can't complain. 200-point trade. I'm happy with it. I'm not even mad. So I'm perfectly fine with it. And let's see. There we go. All right. Looks like NQ is going for the 300. Where are we at right now in range? That's a pretty good rejection too. Look at the 30-minute little V shape. Bink. And look, we almost came down. I don't think we made it quite to that zone. Did we? Nah, we came pretty close. We came right on the edge of those candle bodies before we rejected back up. Yeah, 260-point range already. ES. Nice little push on the ES. Kind of wish I would have put 2 NASDAQ on, but I was like, I was a little bit worried I was got the DCA into it, so I didn't want to start off too heavy on it. But still, $400, I'm still happy with that. Still good. I banked when I woke up. Well, my overnight trades that I was planning for tonight already hit targets. I made $600 on the overnight trades. It's a trap. Hey, it's always a trap. If you can't see the trap, you're in it. You can't see it, you're in it. Hey, look, we've been having very strong one-directional movements at night. Is that what we're in for again tonight? I don't know. That's why I'm not trying to get too excited about trying to fade off these bands right now. I don't like how we're just kind of riding that second band right there. I feel better when we just rip up to it. There we go. Whoop. And get the first, like the big, strong push up to it. Then you smack it. Not responding to my emails. Nobody picking up. YouTube comment turned off. What is your risk? You can open up a support ticket with Apex. They got a new. Did you do it in the new portal? They have a new support portal. So. Oh, hey, Finite. What's up? What's up? Yeah, the new portal is really good. I've had no problem. If you're not already signed up to a new email portal, that's probably your problem. They sent an email out a while ago telling everybody, hey, make sure you sign up to the new portal for the better customer experience. And I got to be honest with you, it was pretty good. I just had to use it last week. I'm doing good. My overnight trade's already, bam, printed. So. They're attacking profitability. Why? Hey, Kid Poker rally 300 points tonight, so Mike could hit his target. When they have the live, Apex has a live program already going. Yeah, nice bounce. But the problem is, hey, have we bounced up? Have we gone too far too fast? You know, we're a little susceptible for a pullback. Yeah, and Q makes no sense as usual. Hey, he's trying to screw as many people as possible. Do you think we go to 400? I do. We have targets up higher, but I do think a pullback is more likely. And then we'll see, do we firm back up again? And then maybe I'll look to get long once again. I had the next target about 486 to 488 up here. So we'll see if we can get a pullback so I can re-engage some micros. And maybe I can still get another overnight trade. The original one's already hit target. Actually, I took a picture. Look, here's the NASDAQ trade. The NASDAQ? Yeah, there's the NASDAQ trade. Just posted on X right there. 061. I closed it out on stream. 267. A little over 200 points. Nice. I likes it a lot. First target's 417. Let's go. Hey, so finite. If we got a target at 486, 488, 417 is a pretty good front run of that. I don't know. I've seen this movie before where we gap down on earnings and then we just whoop, right back up. Get everybody, you know, caught off sides. And they're like, oh, it's not as bad as we thought. And then they got to buy back in. Then the people that shorted then become they get stopped out, become more buying, becomes more buying because we can keep on going. So I likes it a lot. Don't forget to smash Mr. Lucky like button. 200 likes. We're going to be doing a Lucid account giveaway tonight. So smash that like button. Let's get it. Hey, well, finite. Just because we have a target up there, it's not bad to front run targets. Because we don't think about it like this too. If we know the low, all right, the average range is 618 points on the NASDAQ in the current environment. We measure from tonight's low to 488. How many points is that? Yeah, it's only 457. Let's go look at the ranges on the daily we've been doing. Today was only 390. Day before, 683. Day before, 482. 811. 718. 665. 618. 654. So it's really not out of question to think that we could actually hit that tonight or tomorrow. I don't think we do it while we're on Asia. So we'll see if we make it up there or not. Again, right now the market's trying to turn back up here a little bit. I want to see a little bit deeper pullback for going long. But then maybe I'll look to re-engage some micros, start building the position towards that 488, 486 level. Is what I'm kind of thinking. You can see the ES right now too. If we look on that chart right up here near all that gamma, that's why I said I was going to front run this area. Got a little scared. I got out early. I got out at what price did I get out at? Yeah, I got out at 43. So I got out way early. But I was going to try to get out at 48 to 47. So we're right there, right in front of that gamma level right there. If we can flip that gamma level, get above it and hold it, it'd be pretty good. I actually want to see something real quick. Let me put on the, okay, let's see, back test. Oh, told Dork, thanks for smashing that like button. Do you trust RSI? I personally don't use RSI. It used to always be a little bit slow for the way I wanted to trade. now that I've gotten older and I've traded a lot longer, I don't know that faster is better. Before I wanted to know exactly right when it turned, but in all reality, that's not always the best. You get a lot of false signals, and I don't know. You think sometimes you think faster is better, but it's not always better. So, and I kind of gravitated towards the MACD. The MACD indicator was the first indicator. I read some book and they talked about MACD indicator. The broker I was with did not have that on their chart. You can only have volume and price back in 05. And I was like, oh, I can't make no money because I don't have the MACD indicator. I got to figure out how to get the MACD indicator. I got the MACD indicator. I did not make money either. Did not help me. I can't say it didn't help me. I cannot say it didn't help me, but it didn't cause me to make money. So indicators all lie to you. Hey, maybe the indicator just is showing you what you want to see. FEG is at 270 to 294 on the 30 minute. Hey, I have an FEG right around that same area. Right around the same area up here on the 5 minute. See the past very well. Not all indicators are. All indicators are not lagging. I'm open to debate about that if you guys want to debate it. Let's do a poll. Kind of curious on that one. Let's do a poll. Are all indicators lagging? Yay or nay? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Debate time. Kind of curious. That's a common thing people like to throw out there, that indicators are lagging. They're lagging. They're lagging. That's a big buzzword. And for the most part, I would agree, but that's not always true. AMP, what's up? Good evening. I want to know if we're going to be able to break past that gamma on this ES. Is pretty capital good? I think so. They have the easiest to pass instant funded account. Yeah, make 3K. You can risk, you got drawdown 3K. You can trade news, you can DCA, you can whatever. Easiest test to pass. And once you pass, you're already funded. You can take a withdrawal from the money you've made, that 3,000 you made to pass. You can take a payout out of that money. Yeah. Now they have regular accounts as well, but regular accounts, it's going to take a little bit longer to get to the funded stage, but I think you had to trade a total of 10 days. You had to trade a total of 10 days. 5 of them in the account that I traded had to be over $200 or $250 per day. I can't remember. So yeah, but think about how easy the rules are. How many other accounts are a 100K account that you only have to make $3,000 to pass and you get $3,000 drawdown? Find another account other than TPT's 25K account that's a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. I only know of TPT's 25K account. All the other prop firms have lowered their drawdown for the 25K accounts. This account's 100K, so you have a chance to really build it. I mean, you'll be able to trade a lot more contracts. Don't forget to vote. Are all indicators lagging? Let's see. Let's see. What do you guys think? Let the people speak. Oh, I gotta charge my phone. Phone's gonna die on me. Yeah, we might think that. All right, so hey, let's give out the answer. I'm going to disagree. Not all indicators are lagging. Here's why. I'll go ahead and end the poll. Looks like 61% of you guys said that. All right, so if all indicators are lagging, let's go to this chart right here. All right, let me just draw this off the chart. If all indicators are lagging, then how am I able to project where price is going to go before it gets there? Fibonacci is an indicator, correct? Right? Fibonacci extension tool projects right up there for the completion. And you can do that where price, this case, price has been there before, but if we're at all-time highs, ABC up, gives us price targets above where price has ever even been. Now, most indicators, moving averages, yeah, they're lagging. But moving averages, even though they're lagging, is there still value in them? All right, now a lot of people like to say, oh, just wait for the moving averages to cross. What about this 20-period moving average right here? Could good information still be gleaned from it? This is indicating where the future is going to go, not the past. We're using past information to dictate where the market's going to go. So that's not lagging. This is forward looking. This would be like me saying, all right, now maybe if I did something like this, I grabbed a retracement and I said, all right, let me pull that up. All right. Yep. Price came down to the 61.8. I drew it after the fact. Then yeah, you're correct. That would be lagging in that sense. I'm projecting where price is going to go. So I disagree. I would say most indicators are lagging, almost all. But hey, so is a price candle lagging? Because look, this candle is lagging, right? It's lagging because it's already happened. So volume already happened. It's lagging, right? The Fibonacci projection, price hasn't done it yet. So that's forward looking. That's real time. Well, technically, the candle will be not exactly. There's a little delay there. Is there not a delay from when the price hit the tape and the candle moved? So it just depends on how deep we want to go into that rabbit hole. Hey, you're right. Hey, here's hey, there you go. There is a indicator that is not lagging. Trump's tweets. Trump tweets, boom, market moves. Market doesn't move, then Trump tweets. I mean, that does happen because he needs to reverse the market, but Trump's tweet, that could be an indicator. When he tweets, that market's going to move. Oh, man. Yeah, you can trade per day and trade bait. That's what I do. Execute in a timely manner. Yeah, that's the problem. There's no way. Hey, you need to know. We need a service where Trump can put out, say, hey, Trump, hey, we got a lot of people signed up for your group. We need your signal group. We need a 5-minute head start. You need to go ahead and send it out to us. What are you about to tweet? And then tell us, buy or sell. and if the market doesn't go the way you need it, we need to have confirmation. You're going to keep sending tweets until that market goes. So interval numbers on where'd that go? What indicator? You're saying this one right here? This is a 9 count indicator I got off the ecosystem. I took it and modified it so the 9 count will stick out more prominently. Now, hey, Leo, you can draw it from the high to the low or the low to the high. So give me a moment. I would highly, anybody that hasn't studied anything to do with Fibonacci or Fibonacci extensions, I would highly encourage you guys to watch this video. Let me find it. I posted it earlier. The video didn't get much love, so it could use some extra love as well. Let me, so if you guys want to like it, leave a comment, all that fun stuff, greatly appreciate it. But there's the video. I'll actually pin it so it's easy to find. Bam. There you go. But I show how to draw the fibs. What you want to see first is an impulse leg. Now, here's something that's a little bit dangerous with this move that we have in the NASDAQ. All right, right here is an impulse leg. So now, is this the corrective leg right here from the, from down here back up, which could set up a ABC pattern on the way down? Could be. Now, let's see how far up we went. Hopefully we can complete the other ABC patterns before coming back down. Now, 432 is going to be the 61.8. I have targets just slightly above that from the patterns over here. And then we'll see, do we set that ABC pattern on the way down? So I want to see, once we start to turn and we really start coming down, then I'll start to focus on that ABC pattern on the way down. If it looks like it's going to start to form. So maybe it will, maybe it won't. Who knows? All right, NASDAQ's trying to pull back here a little bit. ES trying to pull back a little bit. Again, ES came right up near that gamma level. Right here, right next to that call resistance, trying to reject back down. Hey, what happened to that other chart? Did I delete it? Oh, I just unconnected it. There we go. All right, so we got about 13 minutes until HSI opens up. 13 minutes. So we'll see. In case going back to the lows, not right now. Not yet. Now, if we're going to turn, coming back and rejecting off that call resistance makes sense. That maybe we start going back down, but let's see a NASDAQ real quick. NASDAQ, we're right around that call resistance as well. Man, I swear I saved it without those on. Huh. We do have GEX 1 way up here. 29,500, 29,600. Then the 1 day max. What is the 1 day max? That's from today. They're going to update. Those levels will update here at 6 o'clock. Sorry, 11 o'clock. So as if we're on stream, then we'll revisit the 1 day max, 1 day minimum. Oh, 101, sell to the lows of Tuesday. Hey, repeat, what's up? Good evening. Good evening and welcome. So micros printing out here tonight. Print. And if we look, don't be surprised if we see this NASDAQ and the ES start to rotate down towards the VWAP. All right, it would make sense. And then at that point, I'll determine, that's on the MES as well, or ES, but MES down here on the VWAP, I'll determine, do I want to go ahead and start putting micros on, looking for maybe a push back up, or have we already put the high in tonight and we're going to start drifting back lower? So we'll have to wait and see. My cash account, I trade separately. And then I have 3 different sim accounts I set up just to trade the props. So I have the sim Apex account where I only trade Apex PA accounts. I have the sim PA, which I trade a majority of the props. Then I've been using sim 103 to trade all of the take profit trader accounts. I've been trying to go a little bit bigger in the TPT accounts, not crazy big, but a little bit bigger, and see how that works and see if I want to do that with all the other accounts or not. So I didn't want to take a chance of blowing up all the accounts in case it doesn't work like I want it to, like I think it will. So the Apex legacy accounts are going back towards those old rules. If you like the new rules, then you can buy the new Apex accounts, but you are going to have the MA rule essentially. You have the 30% consistency, 8 days to before a payout versus 5. So the new accounts, you can get paid out every 5 days. In the older accounts, it's 8 days. I did a video on it tonight. I posted a video out there. I don't know. We got to get to 200 likes first. 200 likes. Last night we had, I think it was 280 something. Right now it's at 301. So some people probably watched it after the stream was over. So start off the night, banger NQ trade, 200 plus points. MES trade, just over 20 points, like 21, 22 points. And now I'm waiting to see, are we going to get a deep enough pullback down towards the VWAP to where I can maybe re-engage those micros. Hey, Raj, so hey, here's what I do with all the prop firms. So since I trade with 6 different prop firms, what I do is I take the worst rules out of each one and I just apply that to all the prop firms. Hey, String Bean, the overnight trade, I plan to already hit targets. My overnight trade's already hit. So I'm looking to find another overnight trade now. So if you blow up a lot of prop accounts, like if you have a hard time passing, Apex really is a good deal because the accounts are very cheap. Very cheap. But once you pass the evaluation, then you got to pay activation fee on most of them. Hey, you didn't bother me, Trade Geek. You didn't bother me. If you blow up a lot of accounts, Apex is probably the better deal. You can get a 50K account for $19 right now. Looking better. Now, I still want to go long the market. I'm hoping for a pullback so I can get long. So I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a more pullback so I can get long. I'm trying not to go short right now, even though I really want to. I'm trying to fight that urge off. Then you go, pow. Once it goes down, smack it. Smack it real good. Then we'll see what happens. So like I said, I'm pretty happy with how tonight's already gone. I made roughly 400, I think, right off the rip near the open. And then my 2 micro trades worked out fairly well. 200 on the MES and 400 on the NASDAQ, essentially. It's like 2 something and 4 something, but well, I'm hoping we get down by the VWAP. I just don't know that we're going to make it down there. It's pretty far away at the moment. So VWAP is all the way down here. Let's just map that out. How many points? About 95 points away. Ish. And same thing on the MES. MES, we have VWAP probably about 14 points away. 13 points. Down around here, I'll start with a very small position. and then look to build into it. And I could play the short down there, but I don't know. I just don't know that I want to. I got those long targets in my head. I kind of want to wait and see. Just hurry up and wait. And we'll see if we get up there. And if we don't go down there, I'll reevaluate. We have the HSI opening up here in about 5 minutes. You have a long preference? And no, normally I don't mind shorting the markets. Lately, I've had these long targets in my head. I've been, keep gunning for them. And I got to be mindful. I just came off 2 really good trades. I don't want to give that money back yet either. So I'm trying to be patient, trying to do the right thing, and trying to be patient and see, can it work its way out? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. There's always another trade. So I don't have to force out of the luxury of being up at the moment. So I can sit on my hands and wait for the better opportunity. Because if I wanted to take an impulse trade, it would be to the sell side at the moment. But I really want to look for a buying opportunity. I want to see, can we pull back? Give me a chance to get long and ride the move back up. So we shall see. Hey, it might be. Hey, JD. So last night, remember I started my micro position last night at VWAP, and it made it all the way down to the area where I ended up adding to it this morning, right before the stream, or right when I started the stream. I was like, dang it. Changing the verification for a new registration process. Wonder what that means. I don't know. I'm already signed up with Lucid, so I don't think I'll have an issue. Will buyers be sellers? I don't know. They sold it pretty strong at the open, and I thought we had a pretty good chance of recovering it, which we did. So, not too shabby. I've traded the Asia session for many, many, many years. Ever since I wanted to be a full-time trader. Back in the day. Oh, just for new people. Hey, so Tom, what's the new process going to be? Yeah, channel is shifting. That is true, Leo. But look, hey, even if it shifts and starts pointing down, that's fine. And then we'll see if we can catch the turn once it. I'm looking for this to actually shift and then whoop, turn down. And then as we start to get the turn back up, then start to hit it is what I'm hoping for. So we'll see. So I'll have to wait it out, and that's fine. Just gotta be patient. And I don't like that though. Crude oil on the move up. Crude oil is trying to take out session highs. Nikkei is up 654. Kospi is up 231, which they were up pretty good last night, and they gave it up. Kospi was only up 40 last night. And look at the Nikkei. Nikkei was way up here, came all the way down. So Bitcoin down 172. What about gold? Mr. Gold. What happened with gold? Hey, you guys got this tick on gold right down here. Is that a bad tick? Oh, hey, Tom, I think that's what they should do. I think KYC should be done first. That way you don't go through the whole process, buy an account, and I can't get paid out. I think that's smart. It's a pretty big wick right there. I kind of feel like that's a bad tick. I kind of feel like this might be a bad tick. HSI is going to open up any moment. Oh, we just had Australian news come out as well. So HSI up 68 points. I just seen an email from Lucid. Fraud prevention policies. Just saw the email. All right, let's go see what the news was with Australia. Still not. Came in at 4.4 on the unemployment rate. Right in line with expectations. Let's see the employment change. Yeah, short. 246 to 186. Nice. So we get down there. Hopefully we do. I want us to come down towards that VWAP. Again, I'm trying to be patient. Let the market come on down. I'm fine with that. Yeah, what is taking so long for that? I want to read that email that Lucid put out. Fraud and KYC. Stricter verification is coming to new registrations. We have been a recent uptick in coordinated bad actor, payment fraud, false identity, groups hedging, and more. Improves every month, but so now we have only run KYC before a trader's first payout request. I flagged. Coming next few minutes, will we open up? I don't think that's bad. Yeah, I don't think Lucid's new deal is going to be bad. All right, so look, 76.3. Wow. Employment change, unemployment rate, 4.4. HSI gapped up, trying to come down. We had the... All right, there's that regression channel I think String Beam was talking about. Hey, King, what's up? Good night. Good evening. Can we get this going back down so we can work our way down towards the VWAP? VWAP's at 149-ish. So get down here, then I may look to start a micro position. If you guys missed it. All right, let me toot my own horn real quick. Toot. Here is one micro trade already tonight. Good for, well, quite a bit. Quite a bit. Just over 200 points. Points, not ticks. Yeah, channel's level. Actually, a slight slant down. I want to see it start to come down, and then I want to catch the turn as it starts turning to go back up. Is the goal. So we'll see if the market's going to participate with what I want. Probably won't, but we'll see. Time for bed for you? Oh, man. Yeah, that was one micro. On the MES, I had 2 micros. That was good for... I'll show you. Here's the MES. Here's the other micro trade I had tonight. So 22 to 43. So 21 points on the MES. That wasn't bad either. I had some banger micro trades. Let's go. No, that's not prop. I do take those type of trades in the prop accounts though. Typically because they're micros. So let's see, did my phone charge yet? A little bit more. Needs the juice. Yeah, I got a good chunk of it, Raphael. I got 200 points of it. So pretty good with that. Man, I really want a chance to get back involved in the micros. Keep in mind, we still have the target up here. Let me move this drawing object. We have multiple targets, but the first one I'm really eyeing is right there. 467-ish. Well, we really got to get above today's high. We got to break it. Think about it going long here. They're trying to get me involved in a little scalpy scalp. Why not text you? Hey, Raphael, I didn't have your number for one. And if you follow my trade, we both get wrecked. Dang it. This joker gonna pop up here. I'm debating on taking a little scalp. I'm debating on playing a little scalp long. Haven't come down enough though. Want more of a pullback. I mean, not if I get in. On the yes, I'm looking at this liquidity right here as well. 1,000 something contracts. I think that's gonna be a spoof order. I don't think it's legit. All right, screw it. Oh, dang it. I just got in and out of the NASDAQ. Couldn't even switch the screen over. I got long, got out. I hit my target before I could even do anything. I was going to move my target up a little bit. Let's see that ES, they pull that order if they eat it. Watch the delta down here. Chart on the left. Does it? We see a big delta spike as we come into that liquidity. Contracts are still there on the books. They haven't taken it yet. Hey, Mechanovo, I put you in the duck race. I meant to do it today. I didn't see you. I'll put you in the duck race. Hey, Mechanovo, hey, if you do win the duck race, hey, what is the first 3 letters of your email? Hold on a second. Let me, I don't know if that's going to pop up. Just in case you do win, what's the first 3 letters? CEO. All right, let's go. So if you win, you might wake up with an email. You're on here every day, so I do appreciate that. You hanging out with us. Your duck is sitting, change filters, oil suspension, everything. Hey, Finite says you don't have a chance, Mechanoble. He's gonna beat you. His duck is ready to fly. So. Oh yeah, here's that little trade I had right there. So it's all jacked up. So should I put Nas on and turbo? Yeah, definitely. Hey, we never did take that liquidity on the ES. It's still there. There were 1,000 contracts sitting right above us. Let's go check on HSI real quick. HSI was weak last night. Yeah, HSI on the move back up. Nikkei's just kind of flatlined out here. Cosby's just kind of hanging out in the same area. No big moves. Dollar's trying to come down a little bit. Before I put the micros on, I need to see a little deeper retracement. Oh, you have it on Sierra? Oh man, come on down. Come on down. I hope we come down to that VWAP. VWAP now is at about 155. Short term, we're starting to get oversold. You see the green background? Come on, I loving it. Loving the music. Don't forget to smash that like button. 200 likes. We'll be giving away a Lucid account tonight. So don't forget to smash it. Yeah, 34.25. Nice. Hey, look, they pulled that liquidity on the ES. Look, they never filled it. It was just a spoof order. And they said, nah, we got to take it off now. Just playing games. Playing games. Oh, look what they just did now. They put 420 contracts right below us. Right below price. On the ES. Are we going to go down there and take it? Let's watch, see if we see a big delta spike. If we come down towards that price point. Looks like about 45 or 75.39. Really tempted about going long this NASDAQ with an NQ for a little scalp. Being oversold, what I didn't like. I would like to see a little bit more divergence down here in just these two. Like 3 of these spikes. Like another spike, not quite as far down. I almost feel like they're trying to set a trap for me. Fibonacci on the 4-hour. Yeah, so I drew it just like this. Here's the A to B leg. The B to C leg was a corrective leg. We projected about 467. I have another pattern about 488. 488 to 486. And we have multiple patterns over here on the ES. Bottom 1, bottom 2. If we draw out that double bottom target on that's all the way up here at 76.28. Then we have a potential A to B equals C to D pattern right here. The pattern has already been verified. Confirmed. So 75.81. Now, if we do go below 75.04 right here, ends up being a failed pattern. It was already valid because we took out the B point. But if we come back down here, the pattern just is a failed pattern. So, too bad, too sad. So we'll see. Yeah, this could maybe be a little double bottom, but in order for it to be a double bottom, we got to break. Oops. We got to break above the neckline up here. Until we break the neckline, it's not truly a double bottom. Oops, sorry. Bottom 1, bottom 2, break the neckline, then that would be a double bottom. Price target looks right back near the session highs. Yeah, NQ never took out the lows. Yeah, if we look. Yeah, we never took out the lows over here, but we've pushed pretty strong away from it. If we come back down here again, I think that we would break that low. Which that would kind of mess up what I have going on with what I'm hoping, well, what I'm hoping to put on. That would definitely throw a monkey wrench in it. Would not be happy with that. It's freezing in here now. Hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Still on a diet? If your indicator's right, it's going to be a scary day in the market. Hey, it could be. You know, we're really at the risk of headline news over in the Middle East. 2 Chinese super tankers loaded with Saudi crude approach. For the Red Sea exit. All right, we're coming on down. We're starting to get pretty big on the delta spike down here. We have a VWAP down here about 156. That's about less than 30 points below us. And then we'll see, do I want to start engaging the micros again? All right, short term, we did get to be oversold. We do have the regression channel facing down. Now, ideally, what I want to see is, can we start to flatten this channel out and start to turn up? Then I'm going to start getting excited about, get back on the long side. And they're playing games over here with the ES. Liquidity that was here, they pulled it, they moved it down here. So they're just spoofing the market with this liquidity at the moment. I'm sure he's trading. Jesse didn't get off. He said he was on the ride home earlier. I'm sure he's eating dinner and stuff, spending a little bit of time with the family. I'm assuming. I think he's off work tomorrow, so maybe he's gonna join us tonight. I don't know. We'll see if he texts me. If he texts me and says, "Mike, let me in," then we'll let him in. Yes, yes is the only indice down. Yes is down 2 ticks. All the other are still up. Covered 3 micros. Hey Raj, how much did you get on that trade? I was a little scaredy pants. Holding 7. Daily TF starting to look weak. The daily's been looking a little bit weak anyways. Let's go look at the Qs real quick. And the Qs aren't going to show it after hours, but Qs right here. This doesn't look all that good. We have a 38% retracement down below us. We can draw a trend line just like this. We already had this triangle. We busted it, retested it, started moving back down. It's not looking good. 80 points. Oh, wow. Hey, good job on that, Raj. Man. Raj's trying to get more points than I got on my trade. Trying to outshine me. Hey, Raj, how many points are you going for? What are you hoping for? VWAP, then you're out. Repeat says I'm up 66. Nice. Good deal. I'm still waiting for a little bit more of a pullback so I can re-engage my micros. Hey, Neo, what's up? Good night, good evening. Hey, Neo, you missed my banger trade. I had just over 200 points on the NASDAQ. 21 points on the MES. Ah, BK, you missed it. I had a nice long trade on the NASDAQ. 200 points. 206, 207 points. Something like that. I only had one MNQ on. I didn't put 2 on. Kind of kicking myself afterwards, but it is what it is. Is what it is. Okay, here comes the dip. Hey, Raj, you think we go down to the second deviation band below VWAP? Even the sound of that makes me like, maybe I need to be careful here. That's not me. You talking about the ads? That's YouTube doing it. No, that's not my concept. Nope. Tom DeMark came up with it back in the 80s, I think it was. It's been audited by multiple third-party companies, verified that it does give an edge in the market. So I just found the indicator somebody wrote, made it so that whoever wrote the indicator before had all the numbers looking just like this. I just made it where the 9s outlined and bold for us. Yeah, BK, I'm looking for another possible long trade. I want to see what happens when we get down the VWAP. So you can see we're coming down towards VWAP now. 156. I should have shorted it with Raj. I was a scaredy pants. It does work, but it's better if you can combine it with other things. So just instead of saying, oh, we got a 9 count, short it or buy it, you know, put something else, have other reasons to take a trade, have an order flow event, have a Fibonacci ratio, have, you know, market overbought, oversold, have something else with it will increase the probabilities of it working. Won't guarantee that it'll work, but it'll increase the probabilities. Well, I mean, nothing goes straight up or straight down forever. Dang it, I feel like I missed it. I'm looking to take a little scalpy scalp. Long. Dang it. Dang it. I really want to go long over here. I was hoping for a little bit deeper retracement. I think I might start a micro back on the M and Q. And this time, play it. Yeah, I will. This is a DCA type of trade, so I'm not looking for it to necessarily just get in and go straight there, but that would be nice. 460s. So I might front run this 460. So maybe like 420-ish. Maybe 420-ish. Look to get out. A little upset that I missed that NASDAQ. I was going to scalp the NQ. Probably would have been a good trade. But too bad, too sad. Did not take it. No guts, no glory. Let's get it. So I got one M and Q on here at the moment. So I'm going to try to front run it probably around 420-ish for the target. That'll be my overnight trade. Now, if it goes back down, I'm gonna look to add to this. I'm gonna try to get, before it's all said and done, 4 to 6 contracts on it. Max 8. I don't want more than 8. But ideally 4 to 6 is what I'm thinking about with this trade. So, all right, now as I get smacked back down here. ES is the only indice in the red, down 1 tick. And the S chart doesn't even look that bad. Here's the S chart right there. It doesn't look all that bad. Here's the NASDAQ. I've got the 9 count right down there. Regression channel is pretty angled to the downside. Got these darn hiccups. All right, I'm thinking about it. Thinking about it. Yeah, I think they got me on the FOMO. Think they got me on the FOMO. We don't get a taco. Come on. Push it. Push it real good. Oh, shoot. I did. All right, I'm out. I'll take it. I'll take it. Man, that's all you got to say is push it real good. BK on the opening, I think I made around 400. But then I had a banger. I'll show you this. Here was the M&Q trade. Bad news is I only have one contract on it. Right there. So 29,061 to about 67. So yeah. Pretty good. I likes it. I likes it a lot. We're trying to rip up my one micro is in the money at the moment. And we'll see if we can start building on turning the regression channel back up. We did not hit VWAP yet. So if we look at the NASDAQ, NASDAQ did not hit the VWAP. We'll see if we're going to turn and go back up. Neither did the ES. ES is a little bit further away from VWAP. But then right here. All right, ES didn't make it down to VWAP yet either. So are we going to turn before that? Yeah, the MES trade I put on tonight earlier made 21 points. That was a pretty good trade as well. Yeah, salt and pepper. Hey, the market was liking that jam. Start singing it, and boom, market goes up. So I likes it. I like it a lot. Yeah, we had the 9 count down here. Mr. 9 count. What about ES? ES is right here at the upper regression channel too. And the more time we spend up here, the more the regression channel will start to flatten out and then maybe start to turn back up. That goes for the ES and the NASDAQ. Hey, Adam. Good evening. Hey, knock on wood. No losing trades yet tonight. Oh boy, I just jinxed it. I'm done. Hey, 49 more likes and we'll do a Lucid account giveaway tonight. So don't forget to smash it. Be like, bink. So let's go. Oh, we got a 9 count over here. That's weird. Hey, so the MES got a 9 count down here. Oh, that's a 5 minute. That's why. Put on a 5 minute to show you guys that trade. Yeah, 1 minute doesn't. All right. Yeah, micro gold can get some good moves. For sure. For sure. Oh, we go return down that VWAP. Yeah. Bink. Frank says I need a Lucid account. Who needs a Lucid account? Type in the chat, I need a Lucid account. Then go smash that like button. We're getting a pretty good little sell down here. Let's go look at the indices real quick. All right, what do we got? Nikkei. Yeah, Nikkei's trying to pull back a little bit. HSI is still up here near the highs. Kospi's pulled back a little bit as well. Yeah, Lucid never had one. Oh man, the Lucid accounts are great. You need Lucid accounts? Adam doesn't need one. I need multiples. Be here first. Nice. Well, the next step, smash that like button. See if we can get the 200 likes. But you blew it. Yeah, I like the flex accounts with Lucid. That's a lot of knocking going on. Lots of knocking. All right, short term, we're coming into being oversold, and VWAP's at 157-ish. About 20 points lower, 19 points lower. Dude, we got a 9 count over here on the, it's weird. Oh, M&Q chart's on a freaking 5 minute too. I'm showing that trade. So 5-minute NASDAQ, we should have a 9 count. Let's see. No, we do not. Oh, there we go. Right there. Yeah, on the ES, we have some liquidity. Let's see if they're going to start pulling these orders. Look, already starting to pull some of that liquidity. They pulled some of it. We got a little bubble over here on the ES. Let's see. VWAP's at 158-ish. So just below us. Sometimes I do. I find that my performance gets worse when I trail my stop. I really want to smack this for a little scalp, but I feel like it's setting me up. It set me up for failure here. Dog, I should have took it. I like how that delta came in right there. Big delta spike there. I'm gonna watch it go up without me. I short it, and I'm looking to go long. Looking to go long. And I would have got my target. If I would have hit the button, that would have been at least another $100, maybe 200. I did not take the trade. But I didn't lose anything either, so hey, it's all good. Yeah, with a trailing drawdown, trailing stop isn't bad. Because then it locks in the profit as it goes up. You don't get back too much of the profit on the pullback. Come on. Give me a shot to get in. Yes, it's still the only indice in the red. Down 2 ticks. Big down night for it. I'm looking for another little scalpy scalp. 1 little scalp, 2 little scalp. So far, no losing trade, so it means I'm due for one. And where there's 1, there's probably going to be 2, 3, and 4. So. Getting tempted to slap it. Oh, boy. VWAP's down here at 158. Not that far away. But 14 points-ish away. Well, let's get it. Dow and NASDAQ in the red. I'm curious. Are they overseas doing the selling too? There's sharks in the water. The market's probably going down. So 3 markers. Oh, nice. I forgot Roger's still in that trade. During which Trump tweet? He tweets out all the time. I've been long. I've been short. I've been ran over. I've had good trades because of it. Like I've had all the emotions. Repeat, still short. Hey, repeat, I wanted to get long. Oh. I don't want to go against your trade, but if it gives me a shot, I'm going to smack it. No, I didn't, BK. I thought about it. I didn't do it, though. We can do it right now and check it. We have one up there. I had two right there. We do. May got a little bit more. We'll see how that works out. Out of short with a small loss. We haven't hit VWAP yet. I still think we want VWAP. But I could be tempted to go a little long here. Maybe. Yeah, I missed my shot right here. Too busy flapping my gums. Dang it. Stupid market. It's not fair. Don't chirp up yet. You're in at 71. Hey, Apple, are you short or long? At 71. Entry of 67. Dotted lines are 50 and 200 EMA. The faster one's a 50. The slower one's a 200 EMA. Apple says AF. And another example of the fake trade worked it. That was a good trade, Raj. I wish I would have jumped on it with you, but I just got out of that good trade. I didn't want to instantly worry about giving some of that back. So I want to give a little breather room. 200 points on the NASDAQ was a pretty big trade for me. That's good enough. I was tempted, but I was just hoping. So. Is oil on the move? Don't scare me. Don't you scare me with oil. Let's go look. Yeah, not really. Crude oil pull back a little bit, but still up $1.36. It is smack it. Hey, GeoTrades, what's up? Oh, we'll move at 2 a.m. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We just don't have a lot of news tonight. We had a big gap down, big run up. Trying to work on coming back to the VWAP. We've almost got it on the NASDAQ. Let's go check on the Dow and everything else. How far away are they from the VWAP? Have they reclaimed them? YM has not reclaimed the VWAP. Did they come back up there and fill the gap? RTY almost reclaimed the VWAP. ES, yeah, trying to work down there. NQ is coming down there, not quite at the VWAP yet. We need about 15 more likes. Make sure we guarantee that Lucid account giveaway. So if you love Lucid, smash that like button. They're trying to come on down here. They're trying to get on down. They're calling me. And knocking noise like Mike. Counter trend trade, counter trend, counter trend, counter trend. Like, you guys are trying to get your money back. I don't want to give you guys your money back. Stop it. Yeah, 6 more now, Mechanoble. Oh, you're still here. Oh, man. Let's see. We're going to get that view up. Yeah, I should have took that short. I seen it. I talked about it. Raj took it. I did not. Can't stop staring at the charts. Hey, I'm with you on that. I'm always looking at the charts. Always. Yeah, you're out. It's still a good trade though, Raj. You had a great trade. 20,773. Hey, you thinking that tomorrow, Raphael? Hmm. Thinking long off VWAP. Let's see if we're gonna go down a little bit lower. I'm having flashbacks of last night where we just kept going and going and going and going and going and going. Last night we topped out what, a little bit around 8 o'clock. We need to tweet the war is over. All right, short term we're starting to get oversold again. We did hit VWAP. VWAP on the NASDAQ, not the ES yet. What about oil? Oil's not really moving. I'm going to look for a little counter trend scalp here. I almost chased it. I grabbed it. I was about to move it up. I was like, let's not do that because then it's going to come right down and stop me out. Stop filled. Oh, that stinks. Dang it. I like the divergence that we had. We had the 3 peaks coming down, making new lows. It just didn't get filled. Did not get filled. And look, if I would have chased it up, look at what started coming back down. No, knocking noise coming from Bookmap. It's correlated between the ES and the NASDAQ. I have the threshold set at 81, so positive 81. You start hearing the noise a little bit faster pace for the chirping sound. Faster the pace, the more aggressive the orders. Below negative 81, you hear a knocking noise. The faster the pace, the more aggressive to the sell side. And it's correlated between the NASDAQ and the S&P. It's got half of your short. Nice. Hey, repeat. Good job. Good deal. It's coming from Bookmap. It's a market pulse indicator inside of Bookmap. If you have Bookmap, you can go to market pulse. You see, I have my threshold set at 81. So I could change it. We hear more noise. If we look, bring the meter over. Let's say I move the meter way down here. You see, we're below it, so you're going to start hearing the orders. I don't want to hear it that much. I'm looking for an exhaustion type of moves in the market. Yeah, good look out. Smash that like button. 5 more likes guarantees that Lucid account giveaway tonight. So. So bad I want to smash it. Don't know if it's ready. Yeah, I got 5 on it. It's an old song. Old. My ducks say it ready. Hey, 20 donuts. Makes you FOMO. Yeah, Jesse says that all the time. Says I'm done trading and here's the market pulse going off. Next thing you know, he's like, let me see what's going on in the market, and you find yourself in a trade. Hey, Chris, what's up? Yeah, I really want to smack this. Let's measure this pullback of tonight's move. So we've retraced 50% of that big move we had after we gapped down. We start going back up or not? Ugh. I don't know if it replaces it. All your profiles giving you a little bit different. Shows you where it's been in the past. Kind of formulate where you think people may step in. I think I might make a mistake. I went long. I'm kind of regretting it, but we'll see. I already said earlier, I haven't had a losing trade, so I'm due for one. This is probably going to be it. I closed it. Closed it. Yeah, we got a 9 count too, huh? Screw it. Give me back in. Let's see. Am I going to give out another donation to the markets? I might. It will fly. 9 counts indicator made by Tom Denmark. And it's, hold on a second. Actually, here, Nightbot will post a video link. You watch that video, have all the details in that video. Dog it. All right, got me on 2. I told you I was due for a losing trade, 2, 3, or 4. Had too many winning trades tonight. It's time to give some back. Oh, congrats. We did get over 200 likes. You guys rock. Yeah, hit the VWAP, went through it a little bit. Yes, is almost at VWAP. Has not hit VWAP yet. It's getting there, though. Told me to short. You did. I didn't listen. I'm hard-headed. Yeah, we're coming up on the opening range. I see that, Raj. Right below my stop loss, a little bit below my stop loss order. After I put the trade, I'm like, we're a little bit close to that. Probably act as a magnet. Hopefully get a little bounce first, though. A little fearful we might do like we did last night. Put that top in, rode down all night long. Oil's not really moving at the moment. Yeah, Raj got a good fade trade, BK. Off VWAP up there. He nailed it. Come on. Just looking for a little bounce. Not much. Come on. You got this. You can do it. You can do it. Please. And thank you. Please. Again, that regression channel is still sloping downward. I'm definitely fighting the trend here. So. It oversold in the short term. Doesn't mean we can't stay oversold, though. Probably gonna stop me out and then go run and hit that 200 just to tick me off. Just to get me. Begging you, NQ. I feel we're going down one more time just to get me. We're not really getting a lift at all. That's not a good sign. Usually when we come in the oversold area, I want to see it bounce, and we're not really bouncing. Come on, a little bit more. Push it. Please. And thank you. Said please. Come on. Pretty please with sugar on top. Pretty please. Target. Good get me. I'm not gonna take a full loss. Good thing I got out. The good thing I did get out, I would have been stopped. Again, we weren't getting the bounce. I expected to get a bounce from that level. We weren't getting it. I was like, nice. Hey, repeat. Good job on that. Yes, it's just below VWAP. NASDAQ's down below it pretty decent. Man, we're coming up on the opening price. Here's the opening price from overnight. So we got 3 of the 4 indices in the red. Russell's the only one up. It's up 5 ticks. Let's see if we're going to come to that 29,100. Let me go look at something real quick. Mr. NQ, where you at? See if we bounce from around that 100-ish area. Joker's being relentless. Let's get a rip without me. I'm going to be ticked. Slowly move higher. Ah, maybe. That's a pretty good little yank back off the highs. Oh boy. Came right down there to get my order. You stupid son of a beep. You have 2K on the short. Man, good job. I should have followed you. So I'm giving back my profits. Stupid market. And long in CL. Yeah, CL's not really moving though. Every time I look at CL, it's in the same place. I'm looking on the market analyzer. I haven't been looking at a chart. But if we look at CL real quick, kind of stuck. Extra fuel pumps. That son of a biscuit's gonna get me. I closed it. I closed it. I don't want to take the full loss on it. Ah. This market's a scam. It's going up. People are like, why is it going up? It's going down. It was like, it's a scam. The market's doing what the market does. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Dog, I wasn't thinking we'd get this far of a pullback. It's 2 nights in a row it got me. 2 nights. Same situation. You know, the thing gets ugly. We could make a way down towards 900. 101 longing. Hey, Neil, I've been trying. I've been stopped out like 3 or 4 times in a row now. A couple of them I didn't take a full loss on, though, thankfully. I was thinking that, Jesse. It's just not bouncing. The sugar's gonna rip. There. Just did a big old ripper upper. Trump come out and say, hey, we got world peace. We're just joking. We're not fighting with Iran. We're friends now. 28,850. Hey, repeat. Hopefully get a bounce before that. Need a bounce. Not looking for a complete reversal. Just a little bounce. I mean, from the high, how many points is this? Yeah, 189 points. I'm just slowly giving it all back. I hate when the market keeps going one direction. Really irritating me. Yeah, more at 66-ish. Hey, Neil, how many contracts deep are you now? Hey, I'm hard-headed. I don't listen. Got 2? All right, that's not bad. All 4 indices are in the red now. MNQ, yeah. I feel like it's getting ready to go. I really do. I know I've been wrong, but eventually I hope I'll get it right. Might need to take my $15 while I got it before it goes away. $29,044. Raphael, why do you say those mean things while I'm long? I feel like I might give up all my good gains just to go red tonight. Dog, I don't want to go red. Come on. If I could make it bounce, I would. Yeah, I was joking about taking the 15 or $30. Looks pretty good about right now. It'd look even better if we can just rip up. Bink, bink, bink. $29K incoming, it might. It's not wanting to go yet. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's get some more of those pushes. Push up to my target and I'll be good. Go up to my target, I'll be all the way back. All those little paper cuts will be worth it. I'll get it all back plus a little bit more. A little extra. Please and thank you. Please short it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. Not doing it. Come on, just go up another 50 points. It goes up 50 points. That'll be great. I'll be loving it. Nah, you can sleep when you're dead. Got plenty of time to sleep when you're dead. I sleep a good 2 hours a night. I have a position on right now. Yes. The right hand chart, you can see the position. Moving up and down, up and down, up and down. If you're on long enough, you can see all the losses. Oh, Russell's back in the green up 1 point. Just need a quick little. Just not getting the movement up yet. All right, now we're playing my jam. All right, let's go. Hey, who's messing with my station? Come on. Take that 250. Trying to get more. You know, they say the greedy become the needy. Regression channel still sloped down pretty good too. Pretty steep to the downside. I'm playing with fire here. But come on. Green background was the market being oversold. If you see a red background, it'll be the market being overbought in the short term. Yeah, we have enough likes for the giveaway. We're going to do it. I got to get back to where I was at, though. So I'm in a fight right now. Fight, fight, fight. Got to get it. Got to get it. Come on. You got this, Mr. Market. Yeah, I know. Hey, trucking. I know. You called it. I ignored it. I paid the price. I had a good start to the night. They had a bunch of paper cuts. Now I'm trying to get it back. Come on. One more, just squeeze up. Just. It's like 136. I might just kill it. Give me like 136. Hey, Neo, how long, where's your target at? Raphael's like, take it. Trust me, I'm itching. I'm starting to. I'm gonna start going convulsions when this thing comes back down on me. You're TP with me? Oh boy. That's the problem. I might not TP. I might get stop loss. I really hope not. Bam! Hit it. Come on. Dang it. Come on, I just need one little squeeze up. One little squeeze up. Big, the biggest, most beautiful squeeze we've ever seen. Okay, ugly squeeze up. Just squeeze. How much TP per visit? What do you mean? It could be. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this. I got a bad feeling about this. Hey, I was hitting close. It wasn't closing. I had to get out. I think I got slipped on the exit too. God, I should have took the 4 or something. That's what happens. You get greedy. I was looking for more. Nah, I did me dirty. That was all me. All me. I can't blame the market. Market gave me plenty of time to get out. I was like, nah, I want more. But then I was hitting the hotkey and it wasn't getting me out. So. $35K with the I want more. I mean, it's not good. Gordon Gecko. Greed is good. Ugh, hit the max DLL. That stinks. I'm not done. I'll give it another shot. It's not yet. At least I'm out. Jeez, that would have got me pretty good. Hey, done for the night. See you later. Woo. Oil's not moving either. But look at oil as we're coming down and see. Is oil moving? CL. Not. So the slow move down has nothing to do with the Middle East. So I get a little scalp here. Up 7K. Nice. Good deal. So now I know who's taking my money. Come on, you stupid son of a beep. Forget that second deviation. I'm really kicking myself for not taking the short with Raj earlier. Really kicking myself on that one. Hey, Leo, I'm giving it back. Giving donations to the market. I felt bad for the market makers. They say, hey, Mike, man, we gotta feed our families. You gotta help us out. I've been streaming 6 days straight. I have been streaming at night in the morning. Today I did a power hour stream for a little bit. Yeah, I started off the night really good too. That hurts. That hurts. I'm not gonna lie. That hurts a little bit. Man, night's not over with yet. Yeah, I'm still green, but it might not be here soon. That's gonna stink. See how funny it just turns from a good day or good night though? Boop, not so good. Like someone just turns the dial. If I look at where that second deviation band is, if I really want to look to go long in a big way, that's all the way down to 29,000. 29,010. Am I gonna keep taking freaking longs until we get down there and lose? Bam, winner, get back to break even. I sure hope not. God, they're just relentless. They are relentless tonight. Slowly bleed me. I got the move up and Trying to give it all back. Crude oil is popping a little bit. Not popping, but crude oil is trying to go up a little bit. You know what I forgot to look at? Look, Kospi's come back quite a bit. Nikkei's come back a little bit. HSI, it's not doing too bad. What about CL? CL's not moving much. I got stopped out of that trade too. I am stopped out. Best way to wait for a pullback is to get in. Oh, dog, we pulled back a lot further than I wanted. Ah, we broke the 786 too. Golly. Not liking that. Well, now it's like I've committed. Really trying to trade on 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart can get a little choppy chop. Yeah, they're really smacking this bad boy down. Taking my lunch money from me. Hey, Raphael, what's EON? Yeah, all the way from the top of the band all the way down. The other night, they just kept riding it and riding it. Yeah, I don't play music. I can't play music. I can't draw. Russell's still up 0.4. Russell's still the only one in the green. Oh no, hey. No, hey Raphael, I don't give up. That's why I don't typically have small down or medium-sized down days. It's either small because I was down big and I came back for a majority of it, so I quit, or it's a big nasty down day. I don't have in-betweens because I don't give up. That's not good. It's not a good trait, but just something I have to work around. So it is what it is. All I need is one good trade. That's it. Go outside for a few minutes, walk around. I can't because I'll be like, I'm going to miss the move. If I leave, that's when the things that shoot up. I'm like, God, son of a beep. I'm going to get mad. I'm going to cry. Yeah, I've come back from more than 7K loss. Come back from like 10, 12K. I came back from a 10K loss on stream. That was probably the most stressful I've been. It was one of the nights Israel or Iran were firing projectiles at one another. Whew. That was a hot mess. Yeah, that was bad. I got a brand new Apex account. I wasn't going to trade that night. Told everybody, hey, I'm not going to stream tonight. Don't worry. I'm not going to stream. Bam. Got home early. Said, I'm streaming. Fired up. Activated that new PA account. Smack. So, yeah, I'm going to do a duck race here in a little bit, here shortly. Oh, it's funny. The room's getting hot now. Bro, the AC. Let's get it. I need this thing to keep going up. I remember the first prop firm I traded with. Power hour, I did all right. Let's do this trade to keep on pumping. No, it wasn't Apex. Nope. Wasn't Apex. Was not. I don't know if they're still around. Let's go see if they're still around. Oh, look. There they are. They're still around. Just need this market to keep on going. Oh, crap. You guys aren't even on the right screen. I didn't realize you guys were on the wrong screen. Yeah, duck rate the scratch. Hey, so am I going to mess up again and give it all back? Oh, boy. I'm hoping to get out before my target. I just got my target up out of the way. Strikes completed. Oh, yeah, I see that. I feel like it's a little bit later tonight when they posted that. Hey, oil's at $1.50 up now. Might take profit. Hey, Raj, I can't take it. I need more. Please, please. We got to run. We got VWAP at 152, Raj. You don't think we make it? 152 would be a banger trade. That would put me up new session highs for the night. All those losses, one trade restores the whole equity curve. That would be a banger. I don't know if that's going to happen. Hey, Animal, good night. Good night, good night, good night. Uh-oh. No. Stupid market. Is this market gonna come get me? Please no. Come on, we need some positive tweet to come out. Yeah, lower high. I know, Raj. I'm a little bit worried about that. Little bit worried. Not really liking this. I don't got much profit now. I'm in it to win it. Come on, come on, come on. We got this. Maybe not. I'm hoping. Still took it when it was way up there. That'd be the second trade I was up a lot on. They came back on me. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. It had a good start to the night, too. Great start to the night. And there's always hope. It's not looking very good, though. Oh, this is going to be irritating. This all could be. It's not a big rip up. Come on. CENTCOM already said they completed the strikes. That should be good news enough. Man, I almost closed it out when I was only up like $50 on that pullback. I almost did. Reversal to 9 crosses to 20. Well, it needs to hurry up and cross it. We need to get it. Finish the 9 count in the 5 minute. Let's go look. Oh, yeah, 9 count. Oh, I like it. I like it. Can we get a little push? We got the VWAP at 151. VWAP is at 151. If I can make it all the way up there, that would be a banger. TB2, nice. So the Dow and the Russell are now up. NASDAQ and S&P not doing so. Excuse me, hot. Charts upside down. Oh. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Analysis paralysis. All right. Sorry you feel that way. I don't have paralysis. I promise you that. I fired off plenty of trades. 29,090 is my problem. No, what my problem is, this darn market won't go up. That's my problem. We have the opening price right up here too, 100. Can we get back above it? Then trade left to right. Getting a little nervous here. Like, scare me for a minute. You said oil. I was like, oh, don't tell me oil's rocketing. Don't tell me oil's rocketing. Went up a little bit. Nikkei's back up. Nikkei's up 308. HSI's up 327. Cosby's trying to go up. All right, I like that. Cosby's giving me some hope. I believe in the Koreans. Let's go. Cosby. Bye, 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 bye. They need to buy it on up. Get it. Then that needs to help my NASDAQ trade. Too slow, lazy. Come on, let's get it. Hey, yes is coming back to the VWAP. The NASDAQ could also make it to the VWAP. Yes, again, close. The NASDAQ can get up there. VWAP's at 151. I'm trying to get out around 145. I'll probably get out before that, to be honest with you, but wheelchair ramp for the Bears and a rocket ride for the Bulls. They're trying. They're trying. They're John. They're trying. It's because it's getting late night. It's getting time where they they get fixed. Getting ready to TP. Hey, what price you looking for, Neo? On your TP, what price? $108. Nice. Let's go. Well, hopefully it hits your TP and just keeps on going. Says, oh, Neo's out. It runs all the way up there to 145. I'll get out before 145, hopefully. But, you know, just in case we get some tweet out, I'll leave it up there for the time being. So Dow's up 6. Russell's up 1.7. ES down 9.5. NASDAQ down 93. I feels like, take it. I probably should, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to hold it out. Wait, see, can we retake the opening price? So I think 145 is good. Hopefully. I wish I'd just hurry up and get there. It's probably going to be a slow grind up there. It's going to make me sweat it out. If it even makes it up there. ES has a 700 lot. Yeah, I see it. ES has a 700 lot right around 75.25. I don't see any liquidity on the NASDAQ around us. I really need to go get a drink, but I don't want to walk away with this trade. Come on, keep on going. I don't want to get stopped out. I'm trying to get more out of it. I got 3 screens. I got a big 65-inch TV over here where you guys are at 32-inch. 32-inch above that. Yeah, I know. Another headache might come knocking. I know. This is already giving me a headache tonight. Oh, man. And Neo's got pee. Hey, Neo, it's not going to hit our targets. Just to make us sit here in misery. Try and get a little water off the ice in my cup. Come on, just get it. Please, please. Hurry up and hit my target so we can do the giveaway. All I'm asking. Yeah, 7 longs. Oh boy. You in micros or minis? Minis? Oh, wow. Live account. As long as you get it right, it'll be good. You're on the wrong side of it. Not so good. I don't like how we're not going up. Making me a little bit nervous here. Making me nervous. There we go. Now, hey, don't forget, if you guys do want to participate in the giveaway, make sure you're signed up to the email list. If you've already signed up before, you do not have to sign up again. But then make sure once you sign up, you've clicked on the confirmation email to verify your email, and you'll be all good. dog, it's going to come back on me. I want to give it the benefit of the doubt so bad and just let it ride. But at the same time, I'm like, I'd like to get some of that money back that I've lost. So I'm kind of in a rock and a hard place here. Do I hold it or do I get out? I'm out. I'm out. That do. I gotta get out. I'm out. I'm out. It'll probably rip up now just to spite me, and that's fine. Now I just want to see it come down. Just come on down. All right, hey, give me a second. Now that I'm out of the trade, let me go get a drink. Here, so in the meantime, hang out with my assistant. I'm gonna go refill my drink. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. And then we're gonna do the giveaway. And watch, if I come back and this market hits my target, I'm gonna cry. You guys can see me cry live on stream. Give me a moment. All right. I'm kind of glad I got out right now. Come back and I'm actually happy. I'm happy I'm out. I'm happy I got out of it. All right. So friendly reminder, if you guys want to take advantage of the giveaway, win yourself a free Lucid account, you got to make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. Your email is confirmed. So after you sign up, it sends you a confirmation email. I'm about to give out a key phrase. Type that key phrase into the chat. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 random winners. I'll scroll through the chat, pick out some regulars I see on the channel, throw you guys in the duck race as well. We'll see whose duck is going to be the fastest. So I'll give you guys a shot to get that ready. Get ready for the giveaway. So let me log in. Hey, Raj, they won't know the post on this one. I've never used this one before. Never, so they can't cheat. All right, so here, I'm going to give out the key phrase. Get ready. It's easy. All right, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I want a Lucid account. Oh. Bam. All right. So we got the first contestant in the duck race. Bam. Give it a few moments, let it populate. Let's go ahead and pick the next contestant. So glad I got out of that now. Oh boy. All right. Next one is going to be Micro Trend. If I don't pronounce your name, I'm just scared I'm going to butcher it. I don't want to butcher your name. I'm not trying to offend anybody here. Trish, you have a spot in the race. Oops. Wild Deuce. Wild Deuces, you have a spot in the race. Oh, I can't read that one. Yeah, I'm not going to try to pronounce your name. I don't want to mess it up. All right. Let's see. B Marsh trade. This sucker's going to go up. Oh, you sucker. You sucker. It's going to go up. Oh, I'm going to be so upset. Joyce Fernandez, you have a spot. All right. You guys can quit typing in the chat. I'm going to pick out some random winners I see. Hey, John. I'm going to put John in the race. I think John gave up his winnings last time. Such a nice guy. HRIDAY. I'm going to put you in the race. Miss K, you got a spot in the duck race. Let's see. Who else do I see in here on a regular basis? Captain, I'll give you a spot. Roach, give you a spot. White Boy, I'll give you a spot in the duck race. All right, we're coming back down. I feel good about that now. Plum Trader, I'll give you a spot. How many people we got? We got 16. This will be 17. Fendi, I'll give you a spot. And the Elevated Life, I'll give you a spot. Repeat. 4, give you a spot. I got to put Mecha Noble in here. Throw Mecha Noble, I'll put him in here. Oops. Trying to copy Repeat. I'm having a hard time here. All right. Mecha. All right. BK, I'll give you a spot in the duck race. These duck races are growing. All right, that's gonna be 25. All right, that's 25 contestants. Woo! Taking out the lows. Oh boy. Hey, look down. Look over here. We broke the 786. We're probably gonna go back down, break that low, maybe come all the way down that low there. Not looking so good. Not looking good. So, all right, let's see who's got what it takes to win the free Lucid account. We're going to find out who really wants this Lucid account. All right. How well did you train your duck? How well did you train it? Does your duck have what it takes? All right. On your marks. Get set. Beep. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, number 10's out in the lead. Joyce is not looking so hot. Ah, I forgot J Love's again. Hey, J Love, you're going to be number 24. How do we got? Hey, J Love, you're going to be the unnamed duck. You have a spot right here. You're super duck. J Love's with a super duck. So I'm going to give J Love's the no-name duck. I actually got 2 no-name ducks. We'll see if one of the no-name ducks win. What am I doing? Uh-oh, BK, you're in the lead. Can you hold on to it? Uh-oh. I think somebody's going to come charging for you in the end. Ah, BK, you lost it. Ah, number 6. It looks like. Number 6. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Number 6, first 3 letters of your email. Golly. Hen, wow, you're on it. Let's see. All right, let's see. HEN. They're still bringing this down. Oh, that's not you. Doop, doop, doop. Nope. Man, we're right there at the low of the day. Look at that. Big run up only to give it all back. Woof. Having a hard time locating your name. Hey, winner, are you sure you're on the email list? Because I don't see you on here. I don't see you on the list. All right, I'm going to start the countdown timer. Hey, respond to last email I sent out. I sent it out today. I sent an email out today. Respond back. So, if not, if you don't want to, if you don't respond back in 3 minutes, you will forfeit. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. So I sent an email out. I can't find you on the email list. I had an email go out this evening. So we'll see who number 2 was. I can't find you on the email list. It looks like Plum Trader was number 2. Plum Trader was number 2. Number 3 was No Name Duck. So we're going to see. Do I get an email response? So I got the countdown timer going. Oh, you're not on the email list? You forfeit then. Sorry. If you don't think you're on it, then you definitely not. You forfeit. Too bad, too sad. All right. So, hey, so we give it to the second place winner. Second place is going to be Plum Trader. Please tell me you're on the list. Please, please. All right, Plum Trader, what is the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters. S-N-A. Hey, well, only got... You might have found you. Hey, that was easy. Easy peasy. All right. Plum Trader is the winner. All right. So, hey, let's just do a little quick, just to make sure. I'm going to send you a little 2FA code. And just respond back. Just type this number into the chat. All right, just sent you the code. And I'm going to log into Lucid so I can get it. Now, let me see what codes I have. 1, 2. Hey, Plum, it'll be for the... Actually, Plum, I'll give you a choice. Do you want the Lucid Pro 50K or Lucid Flex? Which one? Oh, that was the alarm. Yeah, hey, just type in that number in the chat. Because if I send you that Lucid code, if I send it to the wrong person, it's gone. I can't get it back. That's the reason why I want to make sure when I send it to the right person. I'm pretty sure it's you. I just want to be 100%. Hey, Plum, so here's the big difference. The Pro account, you can pass in 1 day. The Flex account, you can pass in 2 days. But the Flex account has no consistency once you're funded. The Pro account has a 40% consistency once you're funded. In the payouts, the Flex you can get paid out every 5 days. The Pro, the quickest is every 3 days. So that's the big difference. Yeah, we hit 29,044. Hey, Raphael, I got all of it just in the wrong direction. We have all 4 of our indices in the red. Oil's up $1.76 now. So oil's been trying to go up a little bit as well. Let's see, we see any headlines. Do the Flex. Hey, did you already type the code in the chat? Did I miss it? The number I gave you in that email, just type it in the chat. Just to make sure, I just want to make sure I send the email to the right person. Hey, and if you can respond back to that email too, otherwise it'll email me myself. So you can just put hi or any letter and just hit reply back. That way I can send it over to you. Yeah, type the number in here in the YouTube chat. That way I can verify the username on here. I'm sure it's you. I'm pretty confident. I'm like 99.999999% sure it's you. I'm just doing an extra safety check before I send the code out. Yeah, okay. Hey, now that email I sent you, just reply back. You don't have to say anything. Just type 1 letter. It doesn't matter. That way I can reply back to you with the Lucid code. Otherwise, it gives me a fit. Oh, dang it. I just do that. I just logged out of the email. I still want to get my money back. Hey, Mongo, thanks. Hey, good calls. I'm glad you had a good night trading. What advice do you have for a funded account that has 30% consistency, 10 days to get a payout? Take it slow. Trade micros. Micros give you a lot more wiggle room. And don't go for a big home run trade. Just take it slow. You know, if you worry about trying to hurry up and get paid, that money's going to run away from you. If you just focus on the process, you'll be amazed at how much easier it is for the money to pile up. Hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. Not that it's going to be easy either way, but you know, you have a better chance of success if you're not focused on the outcome. Okay. Oh, hey, Plum, did you said Flex, right? Plum Trader, you said you want Flex account? Yeah, Flex, all right. All right, let me get the code. Flex. All right. All right, hey, I sent it to you. Hey, now when you go to sign up, where you normally put in code Mike for the promo code, just put in the code I sent you, and it'll zero out the balance for you. Remember, Lucid does not have any time restrictions, so if it takes you 2 months to pass, you're fine. So you have no worries. Be good, good, and good. So. Yeah, I really want to swing at this again. I really want to swing at it. I only want to swing at it if it's going to be a winner. Can you guys guarantee it'll be a winner? What's going on with my chart here? Don't do it. Oh, I'm already in. I got a feel I'm going to be in for a late night. I'll see if I can get a little bit more of it back. Can I do it? I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. All right, so I'm well off session highs. It'll probably rip to no end. That's fine. It is what it is. But hey, I'm going to jump off the stream. I want to thank everybody for hanging out. Don't forget, I do stream Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. as well in the morning New York session. So if you guys want to come hang out there, I'd love to see you guys on the stream there as well. So hopefully you guys will come join me tomorrow. I'm going to try to get a good night's sleep tonight and get some revenge on this market in the morning. All right, guys, take care.